Hello friends, welcome to Tikluma Antasar channel.
Let us discuss about skills in learning English.
A student's ability to process ideas for speaking or writing is possible through a student's ability to process ideas for speaking or writing is possible through composition lessons. Composition lessons. Next question number 92. A teacher must plan for days to develop listening, reading, and writing. A teacher must plan for three phases to develop listening, reading, and writing. Next question number 93. An efficient English teacher normally provide scope for exposure and practice. Next question number 94. This is a lesson of composition. Writing a letter is a lesson of composition. Next question number 95. In order to help the student to understand a difficult word, a teacher should provide examples to infer. Question number 96. In order to develop critical thinking among students, a teacher should ask application question. Next question number 97. Brainstorming is essential for developing reading. Question number 98. In order to develop study habit in learners, they should be asked to read extensively. Next question number 99. This can exclusively develop the skill of listening and writing. Dictator exercise can exclusively develop the skill of listening and writing. Dictator exercise can exclusively develop the skill of listening and writing. Next question number 100. This is essential for learning patterns in language. Drilling is essential for learning patterns in language. Part 1. This plays a significant role in language. Motivation plays a significant role in language. Next question number 102. Language teacher should pay importance to communication ability. Language teacher should pay importance to communication ability. Next question 103. Teacher should follow the demand of situation to decide principle. Next question number 104. The child develops flexibility in respect of language. In a multilingual context. The child develop flexibility in respect of language in a multilingual context. Okay. Question number 105. Languages by nature. Languages by nature keep on changing and growing. Keep on changing and growing. Language by nature keep on changing and growing. Next question number 106. Student can create when he is given freedom from textbook. 107. A creative child thinks unconventionally. A creative child thinks unconventionally. Next question number 108. Desk can help in creative writing. Teacher concern and inspiration can help creative writing. Next question number 109. The teacher should dash the student to encourage creativity. The teacher should suggest and inspire the student to encourage creativity. Thank you very much for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.